On today's episode, we're watching a beautiful black Ferrari 812 Superfast.
This is what I love about my job. I get to drive all these cars. It's insane, the trust they have. And all we gotta do is show them that they could trust us and take care of these cars for them. Guys, have you ever seen a Ferrari 812 get foamed? Watch this. That thing's insane. Rinse this bad boy off so you guys can take a look at this shine under here. The only thing I hate about these cars is that I'm a little chubby and I can't get out. We're finished. It's a wrap. We're done. Best cars that we've done today. Love them. They're great. Check them out. Share, like, subscribe. Thank you guys. We got some more stuff coming.
What you got?